Ciao everybody, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and if you've been looking for a new side dish to add to your dinners, I have the perfect one for you. It is caramelized carrots in a Marsala butter wine sauce. It is so delicious. It's probably one of my most requested side dishes that I got when I used to cater. So I want to teach you how to put this together. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. To start, we want to have our skillet heating, and we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter, and we just want that to melt. So while that's melting, I'm going to cut up my carrots, and I have organic carrots, so I just wash the skins. I'm not peeling the carrots. If you want to peel your carrots, that's up to you, but I feel that as long as it's organic, you can eat the skin, and I personally think that we need more fiber, and there's a lot of nutrients in the skin, so I like to keep my skin on. So I'm just going to try to cut them about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then I'm just going to add my carrots to my butter and let those saute. This is really one that I truly used to get a lot of people requests for catering. Okay, now we're just going to garnish with a little bit of salt, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon, and just toss all the salt and the butter and the carrots together. We're also going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'll make sure we get that incorporated. And we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of Marsala wine. Now this is very liquidy right now, and that's fine. It will actually, as it starts to cook, it will start to make more of a syrup, and I'll show you exactly what it is that you need to look for, and that's when you'll know that your carrots are done and the syrup is perfect. So we're just going to let this cook for probably about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to continue cooking until the carrots get soft, the sauce starts to caramelize, and I'll show you exactly what it is you need to look for to be a good indication of when this dish is done. So you'll know when your carrots are ready, because as you pull away, you can see how the sauce is caramelized and how it separates, and it's nice and thick. So we know that the carrots are cooked, the sauce is ready, so let me show you how to plate it now. So now I'm just going to take some fresh thyme and just kind of garnish with a little bit of thyme. You could also garnish with some fresh parsley if you have it, but I do like a little bit of fresh herb as the finishing spice. You are going to love this. Your family's going to love it. It's going to be great for the holidays, or just great for a different side dish any night of the week with some chicken or fish or whatever you'd like to add to it. Anyway, this is definitely going to be a hit. It's going to be a great side dish to add to your repertoire. And as usual, I have all the instructions and the recipes written below. And until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.